can't get over in 3 months how much stronger I am.
I really noticed a difference in my strength, my endurance.
At first I thought it was just going to be a physical thing, that it would help me keep fit, but I found other benefits like certainly my balance and my flexibility.
I really think that the Excel program helped me to sort of manage a lot of the side effects that I was experiencing.
For my neuropathy and chemo brain and fatigue, it did help a lot.
As soon as I started exercise, my fatigue levels just started to drop.
I don't struggle to, get out of bed, stand up, tie my shoes, all kinds of daily stuff.
It just improves the quality of life too.
It's been life-changing for me.
Not only for physiological reasons, but for mental health reasons.
It really impacted my mental health too.
It's kind of nice that I can control my cancer journey.
Exercise has become one of those things to me that it is part of the cancer treatment puzzle.
I can't see me being without it.